Hello everyone and welcome to Project Alpha. As you can see, it is finished and it is ready to be moved in. So without further ado, let me give you a tour. One of the key features of this duplex is that it has a nice long two-car garage. These days, it's a bit of a rarity. There are other duplexes with two-car garages, but they are few and far between. Okay, past the hallway, we have the stair on my left. We tried to make it a bit of a feature with glass and wood finish. And to my right, we have the kitchen. Now, this has all the usual amenities that you would expect. One of the things that we did incorporate is a wider cooktop so that we can fit in a wider oven. Now, that would allow you to make pretty big pizzas. And then we have the lounge area. This makes a nice big open plan living area, which is separate from the formal lounge, which we saw just as we entered through the main door. The outdoor entertainment space, we have a cooktop here as well for your barbecues and things like that, a sink that is always handy, and a backyard, as you can see, manageable, easy to maintain. So downstairs we have a smaller but full-featured bathroom. It has its own shower as well. Upstairs. Well, by most part, upstairs we have warm finishes with wooden floor, and the color combination has been chosen to go with that, make it more homely a bit, I suppose. 3 bedrooms at the front. There are verandas for the front 2 bedrooms. Behind, there is the master bedroom, which we will look at in a moment. And to the left, there's the main bathroom. Let's have a look at that. Okay, the main bathroom. So, as you can see, we have double sink, and the design is done such that this here, where I'm standing, is the dry area. And then, once we step on the other side, this here is the wet area. So, if I were to close this, here I am, plenty of space, and all the water, if someone has, family with kids and things like that, they would be on the bathtub, make splash, whatever. The water remains in the wet area. The dry area remains dry. One of the things we did is line up the laundry with the main bath, and the result is we can make a laundry chute. So whatever we drop here goes into the laundry. And that is a handy thing, not having to carry your laundry down the stairs. Instead, use the chute. Welcome to the master bedroom. This bedroom is the biggest of the 4 bedrooms upstairs, with its own private balcony with nice views. So this is one of the front bedroom, and every bedroom has a robe of this sort and similar finish with the wooden floor and so forth. And the front 2 bedrooms have the veranda, as we can see. The front veranda. So it can be accessed from both the front rooms, and as you can see, it is nice and spacious enough to have a little table for your morning tea or something while you enjoy the outside view. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed it. And by all means, if you haven't already watched the part 1 of this video, where I went step by step through each one of the construction phase, I highly recommend you watch that video. And as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video, where we talk more about properties and how you can benefit from it. Until next time, you take care of yourself.